Hello and welcome to a demonstration of SocialRecruiter. SocialRecruiter is the web-based tool that helps you turn employee networks into valuable talent recruitment channels. Today I'm going to do the demonstration from the perspective of a hiring manager or a recruiter. The first thing I do is I click on Share a Job. At this point you can see we're presented with a number of options for how we create and share a job in SocialRecruiter. The first option is that we paste in a URL from existing job posting. A second option might be that we create the job ad from scratch. Or a third option might be that we integrate in the back end with your existing job listing system so that all of the jobs that are currently available at your company are at your fingertips. For ease of use, I'm going to show you how I input a job from Google. Then I click Edit or Create My Job Ad. At this point, SocialRecruiter has digested the job listing from Google and put it into the appropriate fields. As you can see, the job title, front-end software engineer in New York. The company is Google. Or a referral bonus is interesting to have as well. Why don't we say you get an iPad 2? Then you can manipulate the text a little bit. For example, I'll put that into bold. Review the text. Looks great. I can choose more criteria if I wish, or I can simply go to the next step. Then I come to the point where I can preview the job ad. I do one last run through to make sure it looks great. Perfect. Click Next. This is the neat part. SocialRecruiter integrates with the different social networks. For example, in this case, I've connected with Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. But I could just as well connect with other social networks. Now I'm going to choose my contact. I'm going to go to the search field and look for a friend named Michelle, who works at our company. I think she'd be appropriate for this position. I choose Michelle. As you can see, Michelle Ria via Facebook has been added to the list. I also have the opportunity to choose a CSV file. For example, if I have a department that I want to send this out to, I have all of those employees right at my fingertips. Another way to distribute this job might be via text message. I'll enter in her phone number and add it to the selection. At this point you can see that I've chosen to distribute this job via two different mediums. One is to Michelle Ria via Facebook, and the other one is to Michelle via text message. I can also create a list of different people, for example, IT Department London. But for now, I'm going to keep it simple and click the Next button. This is the point where I craft the message. I say, "Hi Michelle, a great job for you at Google." That's how the message is going to look in Facebook. I'll copy it. I'll send her the exact same message via text. Keep in mind that SocialRecruiter knows how many characters the text message can be. I can also, if I want to broadcast in a very broad sense, I can put this as a status message on my own Facebook so all my friends can see the job listing. Then I click Preview. At this point, I'm presented with the messages I've sent and the mediums. Looks good to me, so I click Send. And that's how easy it is to send a job in SocialRecruiter. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to take a look at my job campaigns. Here I can see the different jobs that I've distributed via different mediums. For example, there's a job I just sent to Michelle, front-end software developer in New York. If I want to see more detailed stats, I can click here. I can see that it's sent out to Facebook one time, to SMS one time. I can see if she's viewed it or not. I can see if she's applied. And I can here see the distribution between the different social networks. If I want a more granular view, I can click Referral Tree. At this point, I can see that I have disseminated the job to Michelle via Facebook and via text message. I can also do a filter based on the skills fit or the cultural fit with the company. And there you have it. That's how easy it is in SocialRecruiter.